going to start up here at the door handle with a pick or a little screwdriver, whatever you have. Pry off this plastic cover. That'll expose a Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove that. There's a push clip right here. Push in the center and then pry the outside out. Set that aside. Next, remove this armrest. Pry it up. That'll expose your main anchor bolt for this door panel. Remove that. And now with a plastic pry tool, I'm going to try to pop off this door panel. It's just held on by plastic clips. There we go. Go all around. Make sure it pops off the door. You can lift the door panel up and out. Now you have two cables for the door handle here. Pop off the cable from its retainer, and then it has like a socket that the ball has to slide in. Pop that out. You have a couple electrical connectors. This one's for the door light. Press on the tab and release the connector. And two more here. For this one, there's actually a tab to unlock it underneath. Right here, press it with your finger. What I was trying to do with that pick is actually pull this sleeve backwards as I was pressing this tab right here to unlock it. It's kind of tricky, but the whole thing popped out, so either way, remove that. Now take your door panel and let's take the door handle off. Remove this Phillips head screw and pull the old door handle right out. Now you can take your new one, slide it in, line it up, thread your screw back in, make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, I'm going to start with this window switch connector. Make sure the sleeve is pulled all the way back when you install it, otherwise it won't let it go in. Once it has gone in, lock it down, reinstall the mirror switch connector, as well as the light. The white one went on the top, which is for the door lock. Slide it in, make sure it locks in, and press it down. Do the same to the other one. Lock that one in as well. And now to put the door panel on, you actually have to slide it up and over. You'll see it kind of fit in its groove here. There we go. You'll know it's in if this seal rides up against the window. Push clips are lined up. And re-secure them. You can take this screw here, snug it up. And reinstall your armrest. Put in the screw for the door handle. Don't forget about the little cap. Make sure that clicks in. Last but not least, this little push clip. You actually have to push the inside back out in order to reinstall it, and then press it flush to lock it in.